Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing everything that I bought from the Glow Pot over Black Friday week. Over Black Friday the Glow Pot had 30% off, and you know me, I don't need an excuse to buy skincare, especially from a brand that I really love. So I hopped on over, bought a ton of stuff, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys today. It did take a little bit of time to arrive, but you know what, better late than never. And for me, honestly, I feel like the Glow Pot is worth the wait. I will wait a month for you guys. But yeah, so that is today's video, and then obviously at the end I'm gonna do a morning skincare routine using some of the Glow Pot products that I bought. So yeah, I'm very excited to share that with you. I don't want to keep you guys here too long. So yeah, before we jump into the video, make sure you remember to give this video a thumbs up and that you remember to subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Hi guys. Full disclaimer also, where's my phone gone? Full disclaimer, it is 20 to 2, so it is not the morning, but I'm doing my morning skincare routine. Okay guys, so today we're unboxing. I have my order. I bought this stuff from the Glow Pot over Black Friday weekend. Well, no, I actually bought this stuff on the Monday of Black Friday. So I think it was like the 22nd of November. Guys, the Glow Pot is so popular, like business is booming for them. So I did have to wait a little bit to receive this because they had just an influx of orders. So I think I waited like two or 3 weeks for this stuff to arrive, which, you know, it's not ideal, but the products are worth it in my opinion. So let me just quickly show you what I got in the box. So this is the box. Oh, my hands are so dry. So I got, first of all, a cute card. Also guys, when I purchased this stuff, they did send an email saying thank you for shopping with us again, and I think that's just such a great touch. I think even if it is just like an automated email and it's not a personal email, I think it just makes such a big difference when you get that like personal thing back, because it feels like, oh, they know me, they know me, they know me, which is always very nice. So I got this card, and then here we have the box, and then I got a couple of things. This is just like an overview of the box, which I'm really excited. What I also love about the Glow Pot is that they put these like what's it type things in, and they are completely biodegradable, so you can run them under the tap and they literally dissolve into nothingness, which I think is really cool. Okay, so just a quick run through because my hands are super dry and my face is a bit dry as well. So first of all, I got their Azelaic Acid spot gel. This helps to reduce and remove acne. Guys, you guys know I get spots all the time. Spots literally the bane of my life and existence, and this is a new product of theirs. This came out I think in September, October time. This is a brand new product, and I've been wanting to try this ever since it came out because my spots are a really big issue for me, and I had been using the Vanish Fighter Gel and I actually did quite enjoy using that, but what I didn't like about the Fighter Gel is the dark marks that it left behind, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm still kind of struggling with these dark spots on this side from using the Vanish Fighter Gel. So I really wanted to try and find another spot treatment that can help with when I do get spots, and that will probably help reduce hyperpigmentation. And because the Glow Pot's whole thing is really about glowy skin, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, discoloration and that kind of thing, I just felt like the Glow Pot would be more, would be more adept at helping me with that solution. At the time when I was buying, they did have 30% off. Like I said, it was for Black Friday, so I got this with 30% off. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but the original price on the website is £16.50, which to me, I just think that's such an affordable price point. I've not tried this out yet. I'm not trying this out today because I don't have any active spots at the moment, but the moment I get an active spot, you know, I might even just eat some chocolate to get an active spot, but the moment I get an active spot, we will try this out together. So that was the first thing that I got, which I'm super excited to try this out. And then next up, you guys will already know this product if you've watched any of my previous Glow Pot videos. I also rebought their ACE serum. Guys, this serum is just, I really love it. It leaves you with nice glowy skin, it's hydrating, it's gentle on the skin, it's really nice. This has vitamins A, C and E in it. This is good if you have like discoloration, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, that kind of stuff. That said, I don't think I noticed a really huge difference in terms of my dark spots changing colors or whatever, but I just really like this because it's always good to have like a vitamin C serum in your rotation. And when my one one finish, that was when I realized how much I loved it. And I always feel like you never know how much you love a product until it finishes, and that is definitely the case for this ACE serum. So I'm really happy that I picked this up again. This has hyaluronic acid in it, and this helps with fine lines and wrinkles as well. And if you guys have watched any of my most recent skincare routine videos, I've been talking a lot about wrinkles and trying to maintain my youthful appearance now that I'm 28. And this is just like the perfect thing, I think, to add to a skincare routine. This is £15.50, which I think that's much I paid for it the first time as well. And then next I got their ACE moisturizer. Now I don't know if you watched my first video. At the end of that video I was saying that I wish I'd bought a moisturizer just to round out the full skincare experience. So this time I had my eye on a moisturizer, also because right now I'm in between moisturizers and I'm using a lot of different moisturizers, so I really wanted to try out a glow pot moisturizer. So I got this one. This has a powerful anti-aging formula, which guys, we already know that is definitely at the top of my list in terms of skincare right now. So they say that this moisturizer has an intensive blend of vitamins A, C and E to boost and tone the skin. So vitamin A, retinol, is blended with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and this creates a powerful anti-aging formula by boosting collagen production and fighting the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm super excited about trying this. You can see that in my last couple of skincare videos there's been a lot of talk of retinol, so that is what we'll definitely be using come 2021. Retinol is the name of our game here on this channel, and this is also £15.50. Guys, all of their products have a really great price range, so very affordable. And also, if you're shopping with them for the first time, you do get 10% off your first order. This video is not sponsored, I'm just relaying all of the information that I know from my experience shopping with them. Yes, they do say that vitamins A, C and E are a great anti-aging combination. Rich in antioxidants, this cream will help boost collagen production, resulting in tighter, firmer skin, and will reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With added AHA fruit acid, our vitamin ACE moisturizer will brighten and hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling soft and silky smooth, which is all that we want from a moisturizer, honestly. And then vitamin A, this improves the overall health of the skin and is especially helpful for fighting acne. As an added bonus, it rebuilds skin tissue and also mitigates the skin changes associated with aging. This is literally what we need in life. Love it. And then vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen and elastin, both of which allow your skin to grow thicker, stronger and suppler. Vitamin C increases the effectiveness of sun creams, reduces cell damage and encourages healing. And then finally, vitamin E is one of the best vitamins for skin. It has long been used in supplement and topical forms. It reduces UV damage and wrinkles, improves skin texture and promotes healing. It is an effective antioxidant that fights free radicals related to smoking, pollution and sun exposure, and can reduce the appearance of age spots, wrinkles, stretch marks and fine lines. So this is the product that we're going to be using today. Of all of the stuff that I got from the Glow Pot, we're going to be using this moisturizer today. So I'm really excited to try it out and to see how I like it. I just love that it is going to be really good for anti-aging, hydration, keeping our skin like soft, moisturized, nourished, supple, even out our skin tone. And also because you guys know that I have dry skin deep down in the layers, I always talk about this. So for me, hydration is really key, because the last thing I want is at 4 p.m. to be feeling really dry and parched in my skin. So just products that will help with that is just such a bonus. So I'm really excited trying this out, and we're going to be trying this out in just a minute, so stay tuned for this. And like I said, this is £15.50. This is a 50ml bottle, which I think is quite reasonable for 50ml, and you need to use this within 6 months of opening. I think we'll get through this in about a month, to be honest, because I go through products so fast. But anyway, so that is that. This is the star of the show. And then last but by no means least, I also got a face cloth. I have been just on a mission to just get a lot of face cloths, because when it comes to masking, I've been masking so much recently, and I prefer taking off masks with a towel instead of just rinsing it off. I feel like towels are just so much easier, especially when it comes to filming. And I think at the moment I'm just using random bath towels, but I really wanted some designated face towels, if that makes sense. So I saw this. This is also a new product that I think this came out around the summertime, and I was like, I have to get it. It's embroidered, it says the Glow Pot on it, and I think this will be really good for when I use my clay mask. I will use the Glow Pot clay mask with this Glow Pot towel, and there'll be like a Glow Pot a whole glow pot situation, which I'm really looking forward to doing. And this face towel was only $5.99, which I think is pretty cool. I've not opened this. I think I'm gonna not open this in this video, but I'll open it in another masking video that I do in a couple of weeks time. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. It's so cute and I just love the gold on the white. It looks really expensive and only $5.99, which I'm quite surprised about. And this is made of high quality 100% cotton, and this is just what you need to gently dry your face after you double cleanse your skin. They also have some reusable cotton pads in a jumbo jar, which is next on my list, but I didn't want to spend too much money, so I just got this, which I'm super excited about. Whee! Okay guys, so now that all of that is done, let's get on to the morning skincare routine. I'm just gonna whiz through the morning skincare routine until we get to the moisturizer, at which point I will then bring you in. So rolling up the old sleeves, and we're just going to jump straight into it. So first of all, I have my Radial Vit C brightening cleansing pads. I've already cleansed my face also using the Radial Vit C brightening cleanser. I really love that cleanser. It's really nice, and it's just the perfect, it just cleans your skin in such a nice effective way without really stripping your skin, which is obviously a plus, so we like that. So that's all good. So that's now done. Then next up I have my Fresh Rose floral toner. As you can see, we have a new bottle today. I finished my last bottle the other day, I think last week, so we have a new bottle today. I think one thing that I will say about the Vit C pads is that they definitely make my face look instantly brighter, like I'm literally a different shade of brown. And then next up I have my Fresh Kombucha facial treatment essence. Guys, I said that I had ordered this, and I did. I've been waiting so long to finally whack this out. So my small samples officially finished like today's Sunday, and I think they finished on like Thursday. No, they must have finished on Wednesday. So I've been using this from the bottle for the last couple of days, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. This is a glass jar, which I just think makes it look so much more expensive and so much more luxurious. And yeah, I really like it. This is literally such a game changer. And I say this in every single video, that if you don't have it and you have dry skin, you want to just give your skin a bit more oomph, you have to try this out. It is a bit pricey. It's £59. I think you can get a smaller size than £59, but I just love it, and I think it's worth it. The only thing that's a bit of an issue for me is the way that it tips out from this bottle. It's very like small. Nice. It's funny because I really feel like I now need to refilm a video on this essence, because I genuinely love it, and my first video was not that complimentary on this, but the way that I literally love this, like I think I'm gonna have to film a second video on this, because I really feel like if you're not using this, then you're just missing out. Your skincare routine is incomplete, you know. And then next we've got serum. So I've got my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. Then next up I have my Radial Vit C Eye Souffle. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about this eye souffle. I just feel like, I don't know, it's a bit like lackluster, I feel. I thought I'd be more like wowed by it, but I'm not very impressed. Like I probably won't buy this again, to be honest. I think I will either try another eye cream, or I'll just go back to my Fresh Black Tea Age Delay, because that's just more impactful. I don't think this really does a lot, to be honest, for my eyes. But anyway guys, so now we are almost here at the main event. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly get changed. I want to get out of this jumper, so I'm going to get changed, and then when I come back we're going to do moisturizer, the main event of the show. So I'll be back in just a second. Hey guys, hi guys, so I'm back. Just got a vest on, a vest and a cardigan on. It's cold. I've got my Vita Grace cardigan on. If you want to find out more about this cardigan, I do have an unboxing video on this. Literally my favorite clothing purchase of the year, I have to say, hands down. Like it's just, I love it. It's so cozy, very warm. Okay, cool. My face feels very smooth. It feels very like It feels absolutely gorgeous. So next we're going to go on to the moisturizer. So like I said, this is the Glowport ACE moisturizer. This is good for anti-aging. So I'm super excited about this. So this is the bottle. I'm actually kind of nervous as well. Okay, let's just jump straight into this before I get too nervous to try it. Interesting. Just don't know what is with this thing. This feels like it's empty. Interesting. I actually quite like this. It's got that signature Glowport scent, so it's kind of, this isn't licoricey, but this just has a nice, like, a nice relaxing smell to it. My only con is the pump. It takes a while for the pump to come out and to like come out. It takes a while for the product to come out, but I think it's because it's new. So once I've been using it, then it'll be a lot easier to come out, but I like it. There's that signature Glowport glow that I have. It's funny because my skin is really glowy after my skincare, but products make my skin glow in a different kind of way. And I have to say that maybe it's just me, but I really feel like the Glowport has a signature glow to it. Like, it just makes your skin glow in a different kind of way. And this is like a signature Glowport glow. I just want to put on like loads of this. Oh, there we go. It's coming out a bit easier now. I just want to put on loads of this. I wish I had my Glowport oil now. Like, it's really nice. This is really lightweight. You can see it dissolved so easily into the skin. It's literally very silky. My face feels really good. It just feels very like hydrated. It smells like I'm in a spa. Like, I love it. This is really nice. As first impressions go, I can't lie, I'm very impressed. I'm not surprised though, to be honest, because I love the Glowport. If I didn't love them, I wouldn't have bought from them for a second time. And yeah, I think I'll be definitely keeping an eye on this in terms of like anti-aging. Like I've said in a previous video, I don't really have lines or wrinkles per se, but I would definitely be maybe paying more attention to like my forehead area, really just my whole face, basically just to really see how my face looks. But I really like this. It's very smooth, very lightweight. I'm a fan, have to say. Very impressed with this. And yeah, nice. First impressions go. I really like this and I can't wait to be using this over time. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I know you're probably thinking, but what about the sunscreen, Alice? I am filming a sunscreen video right after this video, so make sure you stay tuned for my next video to see the sunscreen that I'm using. I'm giving you a bit of a sneak peek in this video. I am trying out a brand new sunscreen. So if you want to know what the sunscreen is, then make sure you stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!